Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost Snapchat score rapidly. So let's get right into it. First of all, we have to go on Snapchat and we have to hit on this arrow and we will hit on multi snaps. You have to take multi snaps on Snapchat. So you can share these pictures to your friends or you can create fake accounts on Snapchats and you can share your snap to your fake account, and if you've sent 10 pictures in 8 times, like if I send 80 of pictures to any of account in hour, so it will boost my Snapchat score rapidly. So for now I am going to send these snaps to my account. We simply select this and hit on send. Apply this method 10 times with 8 pictures. So that's it guys, how to boost your Snapchat score rapidly. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.